Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV Muswobi.
Facetv gist láwa yìí tẹ́ bá wo àwọn nǹkan kan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Èkó ilé. It's happening everywhere now in Nigeria, and now it's now in Lagos. Àwọn Fulani herdsmen wọ́n ti di pé wọ́n ń dá àwọn èèyàn lọ́nà Ìbàdàn expressway. This is not the first time, this is not the second time. It's happening every day now. And àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí Ọmọyẹlé Sowore àti Idris Abdulkareem wọ́n ti ń sọ kínní for long pé our youth á ní láti jáde, ṣe rí if tabanuku mọ̀lẹ́mì ní ká jà anybody gbọ́dọ̀ jà, but let's protest because they can't be killing us for nothing. We have rights to protest in this country. Tí kò bá ti síjà tó ti sin kankan, torí we cannot just sit down. We need a revolution. People need to stand up and fight for their rights, because another tribe cannot just be, lọ sínú igbó, bọ́ síta, sáré yìnbọn, kidnap èèyàn méjì mẹ́ta. For how long la máa fi ṣe gbélé ìdá? So, and anybody tó bá dìde, àwọn government máa find àwọn kan London láti make sure pé wọ́n, it's not supposed to be. So I really commended Ọmọyẹlé Sowore and Idris Abdulkareem for voicing out. And a lot of people have been voicing out, have been saying all these things. And that's why I don't really blame all these Yoruba Nation and Biafra. The Biafra way, I don't really like the way IPOP try to do their own. It's very, very bloody. We don't want that. We need...
Please subscribe to and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV Muswobi.